Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I we will apply all everything that we learned on the previous lessons. So ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Let's start. Okay, let me share my screen. Hello, grade 5. Welcome to ICT 5. Okay, so diba doon sa previous lesson, we know how to insert shapes, we know how to insert smart art graphics, we know how to insert tables, charts, and pictures. So in today's blog is i-apply na natin lahat yung natutunan natin. So you will create flyers and posters. So to accomplish that, we have these objectives. So these objectives will help us, or these are the target goals that we should uh, accomplish. Okay, first is to differentiate flyers from posters. And second, know the steps in creating flyers or poster from scratch and create flyers and posters using MS Word. Okay, so what does flyers mean? Ano ba ang flyers? Yan, ito po yung example ng flyers. Hindi po ito sa akin. So, I just use this as an example. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin flyers, these are promotional tools made of paper. They are also called handbills. Printable material. Okay? Promotional tools. Maybe it advertise something. It gives information about something. Infomercial. Yan. Parang infomercial. Parang ganun. So they are a simple, easy, and inexpensive way to promote a product or service. So we use flyers to promote a product or service. So papel siya, printed paper na kung saan it is used to promote product or service. And it is also used to create awareness of a course. For example, sa school, yung name ng school, yung mga programs na meron yung school, yan. Or a certain course, nandun na yung information ng course na yun. And introduce an organization. For example, yung business, isang company. So, pwede na lang gamitin yung flyers. And advertise upcoming events. So, yan. Ginagamit yung para mag-advertise. I-advertise yung mga upcoming events. Okay, ano naman yung posters? What does posters mean? Ito po yung examples ng posters. Okay, pag sinabi natin posters, posters are also promotional tools just like flyers. Okay, that are printed on paper, though they have gone digital nowadays. May social media poster, di ba? Different poster, makikita natin sa mga different applications, social media app, di ba? So they are posted in places meant for them, posters are designed attractively, and they usually contain both text and graphics. May text, tapos may graphics. May mga images, pictures. Okay, so they are used to promote a movie, concert, or show. So yan yung purpose niya. And promote a product or service, advertise an upcoming event, and introduce candidates during election. Yan. Marami siyang gamit. Okay? Yung posters. Okay, ano ba pagkakaiba ng dalawa? Okay, difference between flyers and posters. Kung mapapansin nyo, may pagkakahalin tulad siya, di ba? Yung it can promote. Asa na ba yun? Wait lang ah. Ito yung pagkakahalin tulad nila. Okay? They can be used to promote a product or service, advertise an upcoming event, and promote products or services, and advertise an upcoming event. So, yung pagkakaiba naman ng flyers and posters, according to Dawson. So, sabi daw, flyers are smaller than posters. Maliit lang siya. Isang papel lang siya. Isang short bond paper lang siya. Ganun lang siya kalaki. Ganito lang siya kalaki, guys. Yan. Naka-fold pa. Naka-fold pa yan. Okay, naka-fold pa yan into 4 or naka-bifold. Ayan. Maliit lang siya. So, flyers are intended to be handed out to individuals, while poster are meant to be posted on the walls. Kaya nga siya tinawag na poster kasi ipinopost siya sa walls, dinidikit siya sa walls. Unlike flyers, binibigay lang sa individuals. Then flyers are generally more informative as they contain a lot of text. So flyers, maraming text, meron picture, unlike poster, konti lang yung text at more on graphics. Okay, here are the differences between flyers and, okay, continuation lang to. Posters are glossier and more attractive than flyers. Yun yung pagkakaiba niya. More attractive yung poster than flyers. Kasi nga, ang poster naman ay marami siyang graphics, okay? Less lang yung text. Unlike flyers, puro text siya. Though meron siyang graphic, may mga images, konti lang, mas marami yung text. Okay? Poster can be graphic or textual, while flyers are often textual. Yun nga, puro text. Okay? Textual lang siya. So, minsan naglalagay ng graphic, mas marami pa rin, or mas lamang pa rin yung text. Okay, creation of flyers and poster using a template. So, sa ating MS Word, we can use our MS Word to create your own flyer and your own poster. So we have a template that we can use, just like using Canva, di ba? When we use Canva, there are templates na that we can use. There are ready-made templates that we can use. We just change the text, the content of it. So same as Word document. Pero mas limited nga lang dito sa Word document compared sa Canva. Okay? Okay, so paano tayo mag-create ng ating flyers and poster using a template in a Word document or MS Word. So first is by opening your MS Word. Next, select the File tab, then choose New from the Backstage view. Scroll down to search for the flyer or poster templates. If we want to choose from a variety of online templates, we type flyers or posters on the search bar. Just like this. Open your MS Word, click New, then search for online templates. And then yun, ida-download nyo lang siya. Then yun, magagamit nyo na. Okay, yan, katulad niyan. So maraming mga templates na pwede nyo gamitin. Also, posters. So when you search posters, nandun sa home to search for, maraming lalabas na templates. So babaguhin nyo lang ng konti yung graphics, yung mga pictures dyan na nakalagay, and also the text, yung content. Okay? Then, fourth, choose the template, then select the create button. Once you have decided what template you're going to use, then select the create button. Then edit the template by replacing it with text and pictures needed for the flyer or poster. And once you have done editing, then save the document. Okay. Ayan. So once you have chosen your template, then just click create. Pwede naman kayong, you can create your own poster and flyer from scratch, okay? Pwede naman yun by downloading photos, images from the internet. You can do that. Pero if you are, a little bit lazy, we can say a little bit lazy. So you can use, for templates. That's a big help na for us. Lalo na kung nagmamadali tayo, for example. Or kailangan na natin. Or it is badly needed na. So we can use templates. Just change the text, the content, and the graphics and images in that template. Okay. Now, to create flyers and poster from scratch. Ito naman yung sinasabi ko. Creating flyers and poster from scratch. Mahirap gumawa ng it is hard, really difficult. Really hard to create flyers and poster from scratch. It needs time to finish your output, your poster, your flyers. It needs time and patience and creativity. So to create flyers and poster from a blank document, we can apply the topics we have learned from the previous lesson. Okay, we can apply inserting images, inserting pictures, inserting tables, shapes, graphs. Ayun, pwede nating ma-apply yan. So, unang-unang gagawin is open the MS Word. Insert a page border for the flyer or poster. Under the Home tab, in the paragraph group, select the border drop-down menu. Choose the borders and shading option. Ito po. Click nyo po yung borders and shading option sa Home tab. Ito po. Okay, sa Home tab, click the borders and shading. After that, choose the borders and shading dialog box will appear. Choose the Page Border tab. Click this Page Border tab. Select the setting, style, color, width, or art for the page border. Afterwards, select the OK button. So yan, iset nyo na po kung anong gusto nyong select the setting, yung style, color, width, and or art for the page border. Then, insert a catchy heading for the flyer or poster. Use an appropriate shape and word art, just like this. This is just simple. Simple lang ito. Okay? We just use the word art and an appropriate shape. After that, add the details, just like this. You can add details, you can insert shapes, or just highlight the text or use word art. After that, insert a picture. So, mas engaging siya, mas attractive yung flyers natin. Lalo-lalo na yung poster natin if it has picture. Then, save the document. Save the document after you created finish your poster or flyer. Okay, this is a sample output. This is just simple. Meron siyang border. Okay, gumamit tayo ng shapes, ng word art, and images or picture. So we have 8 certain tasks to do so that we can apply what we have learned. Okay, by creating your own flyer. So first thing to do is open your MS Word when creating your own flyer. Use the MS Word, open it, create a flyer for the scenario below. So use this scenario so that you can create your own flyer. You can use templates or you can create your own flyer from scratch. So this is the scenario. Your family will put up a burger stand business. You were asked by your parents to help them come up with a flyer of your burger products. Think of a name for the burger stand and your products. The flyer must be able to promote your new family business. Okay, gagawa kayo ng flyer. So, third, you may use a flyer template from MS Word, or you may start from scratch. Apply the topics you learned in the previous lessons. Once finished, save your document. Mas mahalaga talaga na sinesave ang document nyo. Siyempre, para ma-edit nyo. Okay, this is an example of flyer. Okay, next is activity 2, wherein you will create your own poster. Okay, you need to open the MS Word. Open your MS Word. Create a poster for the same scenario in the previous activity. We will just use the same scenario, but this time you will create a poster instead of a flyer. Kasi yung poster, ididikit nyo siya sa wall. Okay, or itatali nyo dyan sa inyong terrace or dyan sa kung saan nyo man ilagay yan. Okay? So you may use a poster template from MS Word, or you may start from scratch. And then apply the topics you learned in the previous lessons. Once finished, save your document. Okay, this is an example of poster. Okay. So, kaya nyo yan. Kaya nyo gumawa ng sarili nyong flyer and poster. Yakang-yaka yan. Okay, let me stop share. And share my desktop na lang. Okay, let me share my desktop. Okay, so dito tayo, click natin yung Word document. Wait lang. Mag-open ako ng panibago. Okay. Double click natin yung MS Word. Dito yan. Click nyo lang yung new. Then mag-search po kayo ng templates. For example, flyers. Lalabas na yan. Okay? Ayan. Pwede kayo mamili kung ano dyan flyers. Okay? Kung ang team, for example, flyers about burgers. For example, with burger this with burger. Ay, wala. Ito lang. Limited lang siya. Ayan. Marami ng templates dyan ng flyers. Okay, na pwede nyong gamitin. And meron din tayong poster. Ayan. Pwede kayong mamili dyan. Ang dami. Madami kayong pwedeng pagpilian dyan. Basta yung keyword nyo dun sa search bar is searchable naman siya. Makakahanap kayo dyan ng template. Example, ito yung napili ko sa poster. Click nyo lang yan. Then, create. Click create. Ayan, nakakagawa na kayo. So, it takes, siguro minutes to download it bago nyo siya mabuksan. Ayan, meron na kayo. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo. So, pwede nyo palitan yung image, pwede nyo palitan yung text. Ayan. Pwede nyo palitan. For example, Louis. Yan. Pwede nyo palitan. Itong kagandahan ng templates, meron na siyang kung saan mo ilalagay yung information mo. Papalitan mo na lang. Pati yung mga pictures dito. Pwede mong palitan. Pwede mong palitan. Yan. Ayan, pwede mong palitan. Mag-insert ka na panibago. Katulad din ito. Right-click mo lang. Or just click this picture. Then erase mo lang. Delete mo lang. Then palitan mo ng bagong picture or image. Ganun lang. Then save mo lang yung document after mong matapos. So, yun lang. Sana may natutunan kayo kahit simple lang yung ating tutorial. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. Share nyo yung video para dumami ang ating watch hours and subscribers. Thank you!